Hello hikers, welcome to Borneo Explorer channel. Today I'm going to bring you to hike in the Santubong National Park and visit the viewpoint of Summit 4. They also call it Summit 4.5. I started my hike from Camp Permai Resort and I paid 10 ringgit for entrance. Then I trekked to the trailhead and followed the red marking into the jungle trail. So be sure not to follow the blue trail because that will lead you to the waterfall, which is not where we're going. Look out for the sign that will lead you to Summit 4. For this Summit 4 viewpoint, I've seen many pictures among the hiking communities. Hikers will post their pictures on social media platform showing the breathtaking views on this viewpoint. And this viewpoint has been claimed to have the best viewpoint in the whole Santubong. I passed by some medium-sized rock path, also big rocks and falling trees. Keep on your right while on the fallen tree. On this trail, there will be no fresh water, so you have to remember to bring enough drinking water for you to ascend and descend. I stop occasionally to rest with my team and also to take some footage and pictures for my blog and my documentary later. After the big fallen tree, it gets steeper. It also means I will need more energy to hike this slope. The ropes has been fixed on assisting hikers to ascend. Some parts will need to move all of my four limbs to climb up. I'm getting tired. Hopefully it's not me getting old, and I think all I need is more exercise. That's all. Some of the section is so narrow that the room is only enough to let one person to pass by at a time. The Santubong mountain has a total of 7 peaks. So there's the Summit 1, which is one of the official trail which start at the national park entrance. The question is, has anyone been to all the 7 summits? Well, the answer is yes. A few hiking friends that I know had completed the 7 summit challenge, and they are the first who did so on visiting to all the 7 summit peak in a few days' time. After more than 2 hours, I finally made it to the viewpoint. Due to the haze, the visibility is low. After taking some rest, I took some water and food. Then I powered up my drone in hope to get some nice drone footage from above. I did this point of view recording at first, and the funny thing is, after done circling my target, my friend noticed and told me that I did not start my recording, so end up I have to do it again. I took a few panorama pictures, but most of it are against the sun, so the pictures turned out to be dark. I did post some of the pictures on my blog, and you can go and see it later. By looking at the mountain range from above, we can really tell how huge and tall the mountains are, and I'm really impressed on my friends that had completed to visit all the 7 summit peaks of the Santubong. For me, I used 2 hours and 10 minutes to hike up from the resort entrance to the viewpoint here. And how much time did you use to hike up here? What do you think about this viewpoint? Do you like it? Will you come back again? Let me know by leaving a comment. I would like to say thank you for my reader that sent me nice email and comments after visiting my blog. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys will benefit from my other hiking blog posts in Sarawak also. Before this video ends, I want to let you know that my statistic shows that over 95% of you who watch this video did not subscribe. So please remember to click the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.